every day, every day, every day, every day. So every day I'm over here, I'm doing this thing for who, for who. So every day I wanna see the things for whom, for whom. Saying every day I'm doing something, I'm making you proud, I'm making proud. Then I hope some of y'all telling me that you liking my style, you like my style. I'm talking about the everyday, singing for you now, for you now. I'm saying it every day. We getting up and we getting down. We getting down. Talking about the everyday. Where we wanna have some fun. We have some fun. I'm saying that every day I wanna vibe with everyone. That everyone. I said that every day when I see people over there, they grind. The when they grind. Some people talking about they haven't even reached their prime. That their prime. But they doing everything the best. They doing every time. That every time. Saying that every day I'm over here to put your name up in a rhyme. Up in a rhyme. I'm saying, hey, every day for you. When I wanna support you. And sometimes I shout at you. Some people say I'm crazy. Because I'm not lazy. Even though I had a surgery, but still I'm working on this beat, on this beat. Saying every day I wanna go and see you shine. I see you shine. I'm saying it every day. I want you to be mine, to be mine. I'm saying it every day. I wanna see you grow. I see you grow. Saying that every day. Do you know I wanna see more? I see more. Saying every day. Some people wanna go and fly on a plane today. I'm saying that every day the people wanna go and take a cruise their way. Saying that every single day people wanna go and ride up on them boats. Saying that every day some people wanna take their bus, but the bus is no joke, ain't no joke. So every day people wanna have fun, have fun. Saying every day I wanna vibe with everyone. That everyone, I'm saying that every day I want to see you grow. I see you grow. I'm saying that every day. I'm saying that yes, I want more. I want more. I'm saying that every day people want to go and live and young. And young. Saying that every day people want a parasail just with one, just for fun. Saying that every day some people want to go and go to the sky, to the sky. Some people want to skydive, put their hands out and say I. And say I'm talking about that every day. I want to see you. I see you. Saying that every day I want to see you shining straight through, straight through. I'm saying that every day I want to go and shout you out, shout out. Saying that every day I want you like you liking me now, like me now. I'm talking about the everyday. When I say the everyday, I want you to be happy. Happy like a everyday. Oh, when I say the everyday. Oh, yes, we is every day. When we sing today, oh, when it's like a everyday. I'm saying that every day I want you to be with the people that you like. I'm saying that every day I want you to get your life, to get your life. I'm saying that every day I want your money to grow up on your show. I said that every day I don't wish no bad for yo. The for yo, I'm talking about the everyday. I wanna see you shine, see you shine. I stand it every day, but some people wanna be mine, to be mine. I'm saying it every day. I wanna go and talk about you, about you. Because every day I'm here just to shout out you, to out you. I'm talking about the everyday. Oh, when I say the everyday. Oh, when we say the everyday. Oh, when it's just the everyday. I'm talking about the everyday. Oh, when it's in the everyday. Oh, when we sing the everyday. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you.